I feel my mind speeding like a car chase. I love it when my heart race. I just did a pile, feel like I'm literally Scarface. No easy buckets, had to learn this shit the hard way. And now we on the hardwood, the parquet. But I remember dark days, parking a Honda on Central Parkway. Part ways, some people gon' desert you like a parfait. Someone in your circle keep it semi like an arch wave. I silly flipping quarters out the house like it's an arcade. You horrible at 4-minute stories, that's why I'm telling it. The moral is to always keep an eye on those irrelevant. Getting dumb, rich is not making you look intelligent. No prescription lenses, just expensive for the hell of it.